Ka Meghalaya Congress Committee MPCC kala berngam ban pensitom dak batang ia kisan ngut ki MLA Congress ki balalit ban penyaso obat ke Sorkar MDA ka balalam khamat dak Seng NPP bat ka BJP pensungo ubak Vincent H Palau beri presiden jong ke MPCC haka jingya kendu bat kilat pathai khubor ha Congress bahawan menta kasengi haka jingkren jong ubak pala bag MPCC kala dep ban penher dak siti syak AICC ban pentip ia kejingya lat jong kisan ngut ki MLA ban yaso bat ke Sorkar NPP klaim da pentip syak ke MPCC ubak Vincent H Palau lai thu ubak ke MPCC kala pan ia kejing pensyai na kita kisan ngut ki MLA lem kemta on be sang no ia ki haka jingilang kebala penlong menta kesengi ya kebala khot dau presiden ye kita kisan ngut ki MLA kibalawan kilong tang uba Emerald Bonds im uba Mahendro Rapsang laj nang ta ka kong amperin lengdo uba Kimfa Marbanyang bat uba PT Sokmi kilaja na kete jingilang.
In the meeting there was a few leaders who suggest that we should take a strong action against the MLA. We cannot compromise our ideology. There are also a few leaders because Rapsang also was there, Meralbon was there. They also suggest that give them time for some time. There are also a few leaders who said that I think it's time for the Congress to think properly how to evolve with whom we work. But Meral has said that if we can work together in Maharashtra with the Shiv Sena, why not working here? So like that different views. But as soon as I complete my press conference here, I will send the letters of different suggestions to Delhi. It's out of my jurisdiction to take action against the CLP and MLAs. That action will be taken by the High Command. So the action will be taken by the command after we keep the reports. So definitely maybe at night I'll get the direction, and I may not be here because my mother is serious. I have to go home. But maybe tomorrow I'll request Pensengan Sim and Baroni to give a press briefing whatever the outcome of the sanctions given by the High Command. But tentative, I can boldly say that the High Command is not in favor of 5 MLAs joining the MDA when I discuss with them now over phone. So definitely they'll take an action. They told me that they'll be having a meeting. They'll take appropriate actions. So likely, I think the MLAs may be suspended. What I could hear, whatever they say. The MLAs may be suspended, and then a show cause notice will be given to them why they should not be expelled because of they have not taken a decision before joining the MDA government. So these are the few things which we have had a meeting and had a discuss in short with the High Command because they are standby waiting for me to talk to them after the meeting. Sarna is a pro-Hindu, is a pro-Muslim. The Congress is not pro-Hindu or pro-Muslim or pro-Christian. The Congress is pure human being. The Congress is pro the constitutions. So we are ready to work. The difference is that the Congress in Maharashtra, before they joined the government, they got a sanction from the High Command. There was a debate, there was a discussions. Whereas here, the CLP did not get the proper sanction. The High Command were not consulted. The MPCC was not consulted. So I think that is the difference between Maharashtra and Meghalaya.